Duplicating sub-items in Monday.com is a useful feature that allows you to replicate tasks or subtasks without manually re-entering the information. Here's how to do it. Log into Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the board. Go to the board that contains the item with sub-items you want to duplicate. Sub-items are typically nested under main items on the board. Select the main item. Find the main item that has the sub-items you want to duplicate. Click on the item to expand and view its sub-items. Duplicate the main item with sub-items. Hover over the main item's left side to reveal a three-dot menu. Click on this menu and select Duplicate. In the duplication options, choose Duplicate Item and Sub-Items or a similar option depending on your board setup. This option ensures that both the main item and its associated sub-items are copied. Edit the duplicated items. Once duplicated, the new item and its sub-items will appear on the board. You can edit the content, assign different team members, or set new deadlines as needed.